Hello and welcome to the box room. David Bradley here. As you can see, I'm wearing my helmet, which is now adorned with a PLA chip. I will be doing more of this. So right now I just want to make sure that the hot glue gun is available, but not plugged in, because that might get hot and I might accidentally touch it, and then that would not be good. Alright. Oh, let's see, these guys are sliding a bit. Oh, these things up here are those overlays for keyboards that were very handy in the old days. Alright, so I have here the 64 that I was testing. It was the one that had the bad PLA chip and a missing fuse. I will turn it on. Oh, but of course, let me turn it off. The video cable had gotten itself wound around some cables, so it was being a bit of a pain. I went to go move things, so I unplugged it. So of course, nothing will come up. But now it is testing. So I figure what I will do at this moment is I'll let this run through the diagnostics and just verify that after torturing it for some, I don't know, 15, 16 hours or so, that it is all good. And I suppose I should turn the volume up a bit, just to make sure the SID chip sounds okay. And then I think what I will do is I will take, there we are. Okay, so that's good. We can turn that off. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the top of the machine that came with it. That is one from a Silver Label 64. Now, this is not the right board that should be in this Silver Label 64. And what is a Silver Label 64? Well, that is the Silver Label on a Commodore 64. That is. It was the early ones. Supposedly, maybe in I would think more places in Canada, but that's the thing. They are highly prized in the world. Anyway, but what I'm going to do is, with great care, remove the diagnostic things. Okay. Oops. Come on, people. And set them down very carefully. And move the power supply brick that holds it in place. And set this down. And then reattach that came with it, but that is not correct. But mainly, just want to make sure that, I mean, everything should be fine. But you never know, you know. So we'll set that on there. And we'll turn it on. And up it comes. So we'll try and type things. Oh, we have a dirty keyboard. Oh yeah. Okay, so this keyboard, well, it certainly needs, I went to type in poke, it came up as poke. Yes, it's time, and the backup key and the return key. DOKE553. Oh no. Oh, okay, that worked. 288 0, comma 0. Oh dear. The cursor key is not working. I wonder if it's the home key. But then I can't get down there anyway. There's something in the keyboard here. A little bit of fluff. And I would rather get it out than have to dig it out later. Just a little bit of fluff. Okay, the fluff is out. I will try again. P-O. Poke. 5, 5, 5, 3, 2, 8, 1, 1, 1, comma 0. It's not going well. I'll try and hit it. Okay, I hit it gently and it worked. Okay, now there we are. All right, 1. Get the shift key on this side. On the backup key. All right, I am not having much luck. So I think what I will do is I will turn this off because the keyboard is obviously going to give me nothing but grief. And I will put in a cartridge. And I will see if that works. And it should. Oh yeah, F1 to begin. Well, back to the F. I suppose I should probably have I will turn this off for a second. And I will plug in the Frankenstein joystick. The other thing I'm noticing is the power LED is not lighting up. Perhaps I have the thing. There it is, it's lighting up now. Just off kilter a bit. And I don't remember which way this joystick is up. Anyway, let's just hit F1 and see if this is going to work. And indeed, it is not going to work in that one. It may be that this is a paddle game. Well, certainly that's doing nothing. Oh dear. That did not go well. High score of 0. Alright. Somewhere here, buried thusly, I see it. But can I get it? I did have some paddles set aside. I did have. Because they had worked. So in front of me here, I can see there's 1/2. There's no hope. There's no hope. And I know there were some down there to be tested. Okay, so you know what we'll do? Here's what we'll do. We'll take out that. And we'll put in a Little Jumpman Jr. And I think that it goes in port number 2. Okay. 1 player. Level 6. Now, which way is up on this thing? Okay. I'm going the right way. Okay. Then I can avoid that. Then I can go dip. Then I can go hit. Then I can jump. And I can get that. Now, I think... Ah! I died. Oh, I didn't die. I almost died. I thought I died. I did not die. I was right on the edge of death. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so the little green ropes. Now, gotta be careful. When you're this close to the edge, if something happens with those little white things, you're doomed. Ooh, I made it. Okay. Okay, it's coming down, but I have time to sidestep it. Oh, and you know what? For this one, this is a rope you go down. So I will wait at the bottom of this rope, and then it will fire. I will move. I will go get this thing. And then I will run across here and jump. And I will jump. And I will get this. Now this is a dangerous moment in time. So what this is telling me is that the keyboard problems are definitely in the keyboard. Ooh, I got a bonus. Definitely in the keyboard, because if there was trouble, oh no. Keep jumping the fire. Can I get there? Oh, I got there. Ah! Okay. Well, that didn't go so well. Alright. Fire, fire. Now, I know what's about to happen. That thing is going to come and kill me. So I can be here. And I think I'm okay, but that thing is coming. So I gotta move. And I gotta jump. And I gotta jump. And I gotta jump. I gotta jump. As that is firing. And I'm okay. Uh-oh. Now, there will be fire. So I can jump that fire. And I can jump onto the ladder. Oh, that might not have been a wise thing. I'm going to jump over here to let that thing go boom. And I'll jump back to the ladder. And I'll jump over here. Jump over here. Jump over here. Jump over the fire. I think this one will let me go down. Hello, go down. There we go. Now, this could be... Ah! I forgot the fire would come. Okay, I'm going to go down. This thing will fire. I will have to get out of here. Oh dear. No, no, no. I'll jump over here now. So it can fire. And then I can jump over here. And I can get away. Now, undoubtedly, there will be fire. Is that going to kill me? It is not. There will be fire. Can I jump that fire? No. I cannot jump that fire. Alright, so soon, that little, there we go, it's going to fire at me. I can jump. I can go down. Oh no! Okay, I can go down, I can get this last one. And we can move on to another level. I don't remember what this one is at all. Shred. No clue. Oh, moving ladders. These are always dangerous things right at the corner, because if that sucker comes along and fires... Oh, that's not handy. I'm not on the ladder. What is that weird thing? Okay, if I can I, oh! I thought I could just walk off the edge, but I had to jump. Are we done? We're done. Oh, okay, so what we have here is a working 64 with a silver label top and a dirty keyboard. So I should, well, I'm not going to document it now. I have to go to pick up some things. I do, but I will continue testing. I think I'll hook this up to a disk drive. Just make sure that's fine. I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure it's dandy. But of course the keyboard needs cleaning. Which of course is not a terrible operation. It's a whole lot of screws and a couple of solder connections and then Q-tips and some alcohol. But I'll get there.
That was easy.
So, yeah. I guess that's it for this moment. So thanks for coming. We'll see you again soon. Oh, by the way, someone made a comment about my thing about, finding cheap Commodore stuff. And you see, for people who just pick up things or find things, or, if they're cleaning something up and they find some stuff and they really don't know what it is and they're really not attached to it, I don't feel bad paying their low price for it. I really don't. Because it's nothing to them. And you know what? I've had some things that aren't Commodore related that may have been very highly prized by somebody, and maybe they were worth a lot more, but they're not my thing. So if some guy who's like from, say, 1-800-JUNK or whatever it is, has a box with a 64 and a disk drive and some stuff, and they go, let's put it online for $50. Hope somebody takes it. I don't feel bad about being that guy with the $50 saying, yeah, thanks a lot. Because yes, I have saved it from destruction, and they got what they wanted, and they have no attachment, and onward we go. So I don't think I'm taking advantage of them. They may not know what they have, but they don't care. They're just like, well, let's put we'll put $50 on it, or we'll throw it in the dumpster. I would rather give them the $50 and save it. I would. Anyway. So, next time, we'll connect, maybe I'll put another top on this, or another keyboard, so I can actually do something with the disk drive, but we'll give it a try. And also, of course, what do I have to do? A disk drive came with this machine. It's still in the car. I should bring it in so it can cool down. Not cool down, warm up. It's already cool out there. Anyway, thank you for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Keep your stick on the ice. Bye for now.